Hi, my name is Suka, and in this video I will show you how to display Power BI dashboards using Fugo. On the Create Dashboards page, enter the Power BI URL in the search box. This will bring up Power BI web page in Fugo Step Recorder. Log in with your username and password, then choose and open the dashboard you want to display. Click Capture Dashboard on the selected dashboard to complete the step recording process. You'll be asked for two-factor authentication secret key that you need to obtain from your Microsoft account. Enter the key in the box and then continue with the recording. Now you will see a preview of your dashboard exactly as it will be shown on your TV, so check it carefully to make sure you're happy with it. Now click either the Save button to publish later or hit the Publish button to display our dashboard directly to an existing screen that I added earlier. As you can see, dashboard screenshot is now published to my web player. Thank you for listening. Bye!